Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing an apprentice how to recover refrigerant on this package unit. So this is a newer package unit. It's got a bad TXV, so we're going to go ahead and replace it. So yep, go ahead and take off those panels there, and this one as well. Might as well. You start by taking off the panels and getting access to the refrigerant service valves. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Almost there. So now we're going to put our gauges on. This is our high, right? You're going to put it on. The high is actually typically the skinny line. I mean, that's just how it is every time. And we're going to go ahead and connect to that, but have your valve shut off when you put it on. Just sprays out a little bit less. You got to put it on there quick. There you go. Come on. There you go. Nice. Okay. And then we're going to put the suction side, or our low side, which is the blue. We're going to put it on our suction side, which is right in there. You see it right there? Yeah. Put it right there. Put that on our suction side. And that one, you know it's a suction side because it's going pretty much straight to the compressor. So that's how you know that's the suction side. This is also called the liquid side because the refrigerant in here is liquid right now, and you'll know that because of the liquid filter dryer. All right, so you'll know you're in the right spot. Okay, so now we're gonna hook up our yellow hose. We're gonna hook that up to our recovery machine. Yep. Okay, so we have the panels off now, and he's got his high side on his liquid right now, and that's where we want it. You know it's a liquid because it's gonna have the filter dryer, and he's got his low, or his suction, right there on the suction tube that goes right to the compressor. And then he's got his yellow going to the recovery machine, which from there it goes to this coiled up copper tube that we have that helps cool down the refrigerant, so it makes the process go by easier. But it's important because we have valves in here that you have to depress them, so you got to make sure your hoses are the right ones, or that they got the little stem valve in there to be able to depress it, that little Schrader in there. And then that goes to liquid on our brand new tank. Okay, so now we're pretty much, nothing is open yet. Okay, nothing on the valves up there is open at all yet, and I'll show you why. And but now I need to wire it up because we don't have an outlet, so we're gonna have to use a Widowmaker, which is called the Widowmaker. Why? People die, and that's why they make a widow. You know? No. Hilarious, huh? No, I don't know if it's hilarious, but it's a funny name. I'll just say that. So he's setting up the Widowmaker. So if you didn't know how to do that, by the way, you don't need 220 because you will burn up your machine. That's 120. All you need is one leg, and then the other three can be wire nutted together. All right. And then after that, just go ahead and plug in your machine, and I'm going to show you how to purge it real quick. The way we do a purge is we have the tank off, right? So what we're trying to avoid is the hoses have air in them right now. So we're trying to not put air into our recovery tank. So first you're going to go ahead and open your gauges there. So you're going to open, yeah, both. Yeah, that one. Yep. Okay. And then you can open the other one the opposite way. Yep. And now, this is really what's called it's your evacuation hose. Yeah. You're gonna go ahead and or your charging hose, whatever you want to call it. You're gonna open that one now. There you go. Okay. You can open it all the way. It's fine. fine. It's just moving the refrigerant finally. So now everything's being pushed in right here, right? So you're going to crack this thing open just a tad bit. For like a second, and you retighten it. So there you purge what was in that line, because you had the refrigerant coming out, so you know it's no longer air, it's actually refrigerant, right? So then you go and do the rest. So now air, because it's already on recovery, so the valve is open, it's already going through, it already went through. So all you got to do now is purge here again for like a second. Okay, so then you saw it, right? New refrigerant came out. So now this system is purged. So now we can technically open the tank. But before that, let me plug in the recovery machine, put it in what's called self-purge mode, and then I'm gonna plug it in. All right, bro? Come on. Okay. All right. So we're gonna go ahead. It's in self-purge mode. We're going to start it. So now it's purging whatever's inside of there also. Now it's done. Now, bro, now that you did all that, you can go ahead and open the tank. And all the way. Yep. To the left, bro. Come on. There you go. And it's filling up now. So open it all the way. Everything you have is opened all the way, right? By the way, your gauges and all that?
Yeah.
Okay. So now switch that valve over, or that knob over to recovery mode. And now you're going to put start. All right. So now it is actually recovering. Should make sure all this is open. You can open them up a little bit more. It's all good. All right, and that is how you recover pretty much. Okay, and we can see right here on our gauges, we're pretty much at zero, almost at zero there. So that's pretty much how you recover. I misspoke earlier. This hose is really what you call your recovery hose or your charging hose on this particular set of manifold. This one is really your evacuation hose. So I gotta make that correction. But sometimes when you're on the fly, you can't think of the right word, you know? All right, so we're pretty much at zero. We can go ahead, bro, and shut it off. Just shut off the machine first, start, stop. And now we pretty much shut everything else. Now you shut your tank, right? Go ahead and shut your tank. And that is how you recover. Okay, so now we can go ahead, now that this is shut, that tank is shut, right, you can go ahead and disconnect pretty much everything. That's pretty much it, dude. We're pretty much done at that point. Yeah, you're gonna have a little bit of purging, that's normal, because that's what's in the line. Yeah, it's not bad. And that's pretty much it, okay? We're gonna be doing a series of videos on how to do different steps for the, you know, apprentices and whatnot. And this is just going to be one of the first of many to come. All right, that's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.